In January, I introduced you to Gauzy, the smart glass and vision tech company transforming how we experience mobility, architecture, and safety. Back then, we talked about potential. Now I'm talking about progress. Gauzy, trading on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol GAUZ, is no longer just one to watch. It's a vertically integrated tech platform scaling fast, signing global contracts, and turning everyday surfaces into intelligent, responsive systems. From dynamic glass in Ferrari's iconic Purosange to AI-powered vision systems replacing mirrors on London's buses and Ford's commercial fleets. Gauzy is proving that smart mobility isn't about what's under the hood, it's what's on the surface. Their Smart Vision Advanced Driver Assistance System is now live in over 2,500 buses across London, capturing nearly 30% of the city's fleet and expanding into New York, Paris, Seoul, and beyond. In aerospace, Gauzy's cockpit shading systems are flying with Bombardier, Embraer, and Gulfstream, trusted by the biggest names in aviation and backed by $240 million in long-term commitments. This isn't concept stage tech, this is production scale traction. In 2024, Gauzy delivered $103.5 million in revenue, up 32.8% from 2023. With record-breaking Q4 numbers and gross margins now pushing 29%. Their patented smart glass, capable of blocking heat, shifting opacity, and enhancing privacy, is being deployed in Mercedes, McLaren, Cadillac, and now 50,000 EVs annually through a newly signed multi-year deal. While legacy players build one layer of the stack, chips, sensors, or firmware, Gauzy is delivering the whole platform. Smart glass, Edge AI, vision systems all under one roof. It's no wonder they've drawn comparisons to Mobileye and Ambarella, two companies that redefined vision tech and grew into multi-billion-dollar giants. Mobileye pioneered camera-based driver assistance and built the software brain that helped vehicles see. They went public in 2014 with a $5.3 billion valuation, and just 2 years later, Intel bought them for $15.3 billion. Their trajectory set the stage for ADAS to become a core pillar of automotive safety and proved that vision-driven platforms could deliver real-world value at scale. Ambarella, on the other hand, started in the video compression and computer vision chip space. They powered the HD camera revolution and later pivoted to ADAS, embedding AI directly into edge devices. From a $150 million market cap in 2012, Ambarella surged past $3 billion in 2021, riding the same smart mobility wave now sweeping across transportation. Now Gauzy is stepping into that lineage, but with a game-changing difference. They're combining both approaches. Like Mobileye, they offer intelligent visual interpretation for vehicles. Like Ambarella, they build powerful imaging systems with edge-based AI. And now Gauzy is partnering directly with Ambarella, fusing Gauzy's Smart Vision mirror replacement system with Ambarella's CV Flow AI chips. With over 1,300 customers and 146 issued patents, to over $1 billion sales pipeline, Gauzy is already ahead of the curve and the world is starting to take notice. This year, they opened a second production shift in Lyon, France, adding to manufacturing hubs in Israel, Germany, and the US, and positioning themselves to serve Tier 1 clients in every major market. This isn't a pivot or a prototype, it's a global operation delivering real revenue, high-margin contracts, and long-term growth today. So if you've been waiting for confirmation, here it is. Gauzy is doing for glass and cameras what Nvidia did for chips. Because the future of mobility is not just autonomous, it's intelligent, adaptive, and already in motion. Gauzy isn't just building smarter tech, they're building the smart layer of the world around us. As always, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. But if you're looking for a company that's leading the next industrial transformation, then check out Gauzy. There's a link to the website in the description below.